Hey everyone, Andrew here with Cerakote. We've got a tech tip for you today where we will discuss how to properly use sidelight to assist you in several aspects of the Cerakote application process. We try to teach students that seeing the wet reflection is a huge factor when spraying Cerakote. Using the sidelights of your spray booth are critical in seeing the wet reflection. Proper use of the reflection will help you see how the coating is laying down. It will reveal whether you need to adjust or improve your spraying techniques. It will also help you spot any issues that may arise in the finish during the application process, such as picture edging, heavy orange peel, or dry spray. Using the sidelight helps train the eyes of the applicators to eventually see how their coating should look when applied correctly. That's it for today's tech tip. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.